Are you ready to make your first purchase with Loyaty? Maybe you haven't ordered in a long time, at least over a year, and so you want to reactivate. I'm going to show you really quick how to order and using the website and how easy it is and how to give you the best deal because I don't want you to pay full price. All right, I'm going to share my screen. So let's say I sent you a link or or a wish list. And I'll show you two ways. So maybe I emailed you like this, a link to order. And this would you just click the link and then go shopping. What I always recommend is and all of them because they are already counted. Plus you'll get another 10 off. So these are them. I always recommend the premium starter bundle with the Desert Mist Diffuser because it's worth over 400 and it's only 165. But if you are not new with oils, I would recommend make a because you get 6 oils and a small diffuser, and that's really nice. Now, if you're in wanting just start with detoxifying your house, I love the Happy Healthy Home and wellness. One of these make a shift Ningxia Red kits. Anyway, so let's say that's one way you can order. You can also just get a few things like maybe some skincare, and you can add that to your cart. Different skincare. Let me show you another scenario though. Let's say I give you a wish list because I like to make it easier for shopping. Another friend gave you a wish list. So here's a wish list that you were shared perfect partners for wellness. And um, you're working on inner beauty. This has the supplement inner beauty balance and deep night essence and Ningxia Red. But these two are already in the kit. Here is the important thing. If you get a wish list, I would, and if you're shopping, I would always do create a loyalty order. So I'm gonna add that. Oops, I have lavender in there. I'm gonna take that out. And then I'm gonna go back to the wish list. And I also really heard that the deep night essence um is a really great supplement because sleep equals wellness, right? Okay. So you have a couple things in cart, a bundle and an extra item. Now, go to view cart and then you'll notice here it already has 24% savings applied. That's because you made put it on a loyalty order. You can do as little as you want, maybe just one thing. I can even remove this and it will still be a loyalty order. But let me just show you. If I go to checkout and I change it, it says, would you like to make this your first loyalty order? And I'm going to say no. Now the price, take away that 24% off because I was just getting that one item, the supplement. So you always want to make it a loyalty if you get one thing or get several things. I'm going to go back and show you. We're going to go back to that first scenario, like I added this create loyalty order. Okay. And I'm going to check. So the cool thing is, if you spend 100 PV, you're going to get some free gifts. If you spend 200 PV, you're going to get a free gift. And so my amount here is PV total 203. Now, if it's your first time ordering or you haven't ordered for a really long time, you can use this code ShareYL and it will give you another 10% off. And even though your PV went down, you're still getting both free items right here. Isn't that cool? And then the next thing you do is just check out. You're going to put email, you're going to put shipping and payment method. And you notice it's a loyalty order and your free gifts. Now, here's an important thing. If I'm the one that referred you, make sure you have my name there, Melissa. And my number is 1160 7512. If you already like are reactivating, you can sign in at this point with your old or just that is the best deal. Now, when you hit next after filling in all of this or continue, the next screen will ask you, I believe, to pick a date for your next order. And that would be sometime in the following month, any time of the, any time in the month. And you can also modify or change that very easily after you make your first order. Now, I always recommend a loyalty order because the other cool thing is if you do one loyalty order, 100 PV, that's like a bundle or a few items, then you get that free gift every month. It's different. And then you also get 10 points back. And then go ahead and make one more loyalty order next month. The second month, you get this free desert mist diffuser. Isn't that amazing? And still 10% back. And the next order just to be 50 PV. And if you continue your fourth month with 20% back, and every 3 months you'll get an oil for free, and then every year you'll get loyalty. And then after 2 years, you get 20% back. This is if you consistently order $50 or 50 V. But you don't have to do that. You can also just order a couple times and stop. And then whenever you need to order again, I recommend a loyalty order. It is a subscription, but it's customizable and you get to choose what's in there and you can process it any time of the month or change your processing date. Um, and you're not required to stay on it. So that's how you make an order. I if you have any more questions, please comment on this or send me a message and I'd love